Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick trick to easily get the Sunken Treasure Chests to help you complete the Withering Rod quest in Visit. First, just join a server that has the treasure event active, and you can use the server browser to hop between server until you find one. On here, just search for treasure like this, and then you can just join the one of the server that you want. And then after that, just equip your diving gear and then fishing rudder like this. And then next, just head straight to the area that marked as ship wreckage on your map like this, and you will usually see a white highlight zone in the oceans like this. And when you arrive, just dive underwater and start searching around this area, and then in here you can find the chest, and if you're lucky you can get the withering reel inside it. And if not, don't worry, just server hop again and repeat the process until you can get it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.